Hey guys, I'm back again. This time I got another Hot Wheels monster truck. This one I got from AutoZone as well. It could either be one of the following: Invader. I've heard people say its name before, but I've never been able to really pronounce it correctly. So I'm just gonna say Ambis Male, Ambis Mal. No, abysmal. That's what abysmal. That's how you pronounce it. Okay, I just got it down. Okay, then there's Pure Muscle, Dodge Charger RT, Chassis Snapper, Loco Punk, Test Subject and Skeleton Crew, and it's Invader. So, I didn't really feel like getting this Invader because of the wheels, because the wheels really bothered me. They were that color, but you know what? I said, screw it. It's a Hot Wheels monster truck. I need to catch up on these. So I figured, no, why don't I just get it? So, you know what? Just straight up open this. Oh, I think I don't need to talk about that red car. So I got this from AutoZone, like I said. I also got the... What I also got from AutoZone was the Hulk truck, and these two trucks will be making their debut in Sign Up Series number 8. When the truck was in the package, I was looking at it, and I thought that the back tires were gonna have a bit problems with the steering. They kind of do, but the back tires definitely turn less than the front ones do, but that's all right. At least they still turn pretty decently. So that's Invader, like a tank body, you know. So I don't know what number monster truck, Hot Wheels monster truck this is for me. I just know I have a lot now. By a lot, I mean like I think at least 8. Because okay, I have Demo Derby. Well, I have Invader, the Hulk, Demo Derby, Psychedelic, Bigfoot, V8 Bomber. What else? I know there's another one. What is it? Oh, the Goblin Bone Shaker. There's another one. I think. I don't know. That might be it, but it's just 7 of them. So I was one number off. So, yep, Sign Series number 8 signups will be coming out soon. It might actually come out right after this unboxing. So look out for that, and I'll see you guys later.